Hi! In front of me is Samsung Galaxy Tab S9 FE, and today I would like to show you how you can change and customize your keyboard's theme. You need to begin by going into Devices Settings and scrolling all the way down to access General Management. Following that, click on Samsung Keyboard Settings. Scroll down again and choose Theme section. Now apply the best one for you by clicking on it. So when I do that, as you can see, theme of my keyboard has changed. If you wish to try something more colorful, you can always go into Play Store and switch your keyboard to Gboard. In order to do that, click download Gboard app from Google Developer, and when it's ready, open it. Now select Enable in Settings. Tap on the gray sweater next to Gboard and choose OK in Attention pop-up. Now go back, click on Select Input Method and select Gboard from the list. Lastly, click on Done and close Gboard app. When you're ready, you can finally go into Devices Settings, scroll down and tap on General Management. Now click on Gboard Settings and tap on Theme. Finally, you can scroll down and click on those icons at the top right corners of all of the available categories. This way you'll see all themes. After locating the best one for you, click on it. Manage key borders thanks to this sweater. And last but not least, save it by choosing Apply. So when I do that and go back, I can see that theme of my keyboard has changed again. In order to customize it though, go into the same settings, but this time instead of scrolling down, click on plus icon under My Themes. Now select a photo that you wish to apply as your keyboard's background. Pinch it to scale and drag it to move. Then select Next. Adjust brightness by swiping left or right. Click on Done. Manage key borders and select Apply. So when I go back this time, as you can see, theme of my keyboard was successfully customized with an image. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!